This top kind of looks like a shirt, so I don't know if I should call it a shirt top or a top shirt. Ooh, top shirt. Wow, top shirt. I'm just on fire today. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Silen, just in case you're wondering. If you weren't wondering, my name is still Silen. It doesn't change much. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Subscribing to my channel also supports me. It also encourages me to make more videos like this for you. It's really all about you. It's not about me. Really. Today we're going to be making another no-sew project. If you haven't seen my previous no-sew project, please click the link right here. You don't have to watch the video now, just wait, watch this video to the end, and then you can click the card to watch that video, okay? Thank you. Today we're going to be making a no-sew top. All you need for this no-sew DIY top is your fabric, chalk, measuring tape, and your scissors. This top kind of looks like a shirt, so I don't know if I should call it a shirt top or a top shirt. Ooh, top shirt. Wow, top shirts. I'm just on fire today. I don't know what's going on. Okay, jokes aside, this is the fabric you need for this DIY. You don't need this exact fabric, but if you want this exact fabric, you can click the link in the description box to purchase it. Basically, what you should look out for when you're buying fabrics for DIY no-sew projects like this, you should look out for solid fabrics that are also self-finished. I've said this in a lot of videos, but for the purpose of my beautiful new viewers, a solid fabric is a fabric that there is no clear distinction between the right side and the wrong side. So you can't tell if this is the right or the wrong side. Neither can you tell that this is the right or the wrong side, simply because both sides are identical. That is what it is. That is what a solid fabric is. And a self-finished fabric is a fabric that does not fray when it's cut with the scissors. This is a scuba fabric. This is my best fabric for this no-sew project. It looks very classy, very elegant. When you're done making it, it really looks expensive, even if it's not that expensive. So I really love this fabric. I also like the light version of this scuba fabric, but basically this is my favorite, so I'll try to use this as much as possible. And I noticed that the videos I used this fabric got more views, more interactions, more engagement than the ones I used other fabrics that were not scuba. So maybe this is my good luck fabric. If you want to see how I make this no-sew top, please keep on watching.
So the length of my fabric is 60 inches, while the width of my fabric is 26 inches. It's just a bit more over half a yard, so it's half a yard of fabric and then some. So I'm just folding the fabric now. That's the first step, and then I'm folding it yet again. Okay, so from the top I'm marking 10 inches, and then across from that point I'm marking 2 inches, and this is the outline I'm just drawing on my fabric, and that would help me to get the outline of my top as well. So I'm just cutting along that outline. Now, is it not funny that as a tailor I don't have a chalk? Like, who does that? What kind of tailor doesn't have a chalk? It's like a farmer that doesn't have axe, or who? Now, it's not like I've never had a chalk, a tailor's chalk. I had one and then it finished, and then I just couldn't be bothered to buy another one. So it's tiring, I swear, but I'm going to get another one today. I'm going to go on Amazon and I'm going to order a set of tailor's chalk, because I need to do this thing right the best way. I want you guys to understand every single detail that I'm doing. I don't want you guys to be like confused, like what's she doing. So I know that would really help. So yeah, I definitely, but then I would say that you'd see me using tailor's chalk in my next video, but no, because I already have videos that I've already filmed lined up for you guys. I have about 6 DIY tutorials, like no sew tutorials like this, that I've lined up for you guys. I'm just editing them one by one. So I have a lot of content. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this content. So after I'm done editing and uploading the 6 tutorials, then I would use the chalk for the subsequent video. So stay tuned for that.
The tutorial is not over yet, but this is a friendly reminder that you should please subscribe to this channel. If you've gotten value from this video up to this point, hit the like button. Let's get back to the video.
Okay, so I'm just unfolding the fabric. It was folded, so I just unfolded it. And this is what the top is looking like for now. And then this is the outline that I want to mark for my armhole, and I'll show you the dimensions in a minute. So from the top, I'm marking 7 inches. Then from that 7 inches point across the fabric, I'm marking 6.5 inches. And from that 6.5 inches mark downwards, I'm also marking another 6.5 inches, and that will serve as my armhole. Then across, at that point, I'm marking 3 inches, actually at the midpoint. That's the middle of the length I just marked. I hope that makes sense. So I'm just creating that oval shape, and then I made a hole in the center where I'm going to use to start the cutting of the armhole. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm just creating that curved armhole by cutting along the lines I marked. And so going over the measurements again, from the top 7 inches, across 6.5 inches, the length of the armhole is 6.5 inches, and then the width of the armhole is 3 inches.